Hey guys, welcome back to Shine Kitchen Vlog, and today I'm doing a short video. Breakfast time. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm doing your favorite oats porridge. Of course, I'm using the Fosgate Oats. I'm aware that there are many different brands, so the brand of your choice. I'll be using vanilla for flavoring as well as cinnamon powder. I normally use nutmeg as well, but I don't have that today. But please feel free to add that, and whatever other spices you like, sure, go ahead. I'm using condensed milk for sweetening, and I'm using the vanilla Lasco. Normally I would use the box milk or the liquid milk, for some persons call it. But the reason why I like to use this for my oats porridge is because this gives it great flavor, the vanilla Lasco, or it can be creamy Lasco. So I like to use this, but if you don't want to use this, you can use box milk. And of course, these are all choices, because some persons just use coconut milk and some persons just use box milk alone. So our recipe, as usual, is not Bible. You can choose to do it how you wish. And of course, I'm using just a pinch of salt for taste, to hold on that those milk. So right now, guys, let's go over here. I have water, a little water here boiling in the pot, and I'm going to add a pinch of salt to it, and then now we are going to get down into it. First thing, some persons soak their oats, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend my oats with a little water and of course my Lasco, and I'll be pouring it into this. So stay with me, guys, while we go through this process. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna pour this into my blender, and of course, like I said, for you, the choice oats you use is up to you. We have all different type of oats that you can use. So let me go ahead and pour this into the blender. The reason why I do it this way is because I love when my oats porridge is smooth. The smoother it is, and not only that, I realize that if you are doing it for the kids, they tend to gravitate to it when it is more smooth. You guys also want to take the time out to thank all of you for your continued support. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, and comment. I appreciate that. Please don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know the type of porridge you like and the type of porridge you like to see me make. So let me go ahead in the meantime and just add just teaspoon of salt there in the water. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. Oops, that look like the ancestors measurement. And of course, I'm going to add my cinnamon powder. Like I said, I normally use nutmeg, but for some reason I realized that there's no nutmeg in the fridge, so we're gonna do without, because I know that you guys will come at me and ask me, so where is the nutmeg? So nutmeg by right should be a part of it, but there's none today, so we're just gonna work with what we have. So let's go ahead now and add the Lasco to this. So I can blend. Of course, I'm not going to add a lot of water to this because I already have quite a lot of water in the pot. So I'm just going to add enough just to get the oats smooth out. Okay, guys. So okay, so Okay guys, so here we go. So next thing, I'm going to pour it in here. And of course, you have to give this about 8 to 10 minutes of boiling time to allow all that we have put into the water so far to boil into it. So I'm just mix this around, put my stove on low heat, continue to mix, monitor it so it doesn't get lumpy on you. The rule for all porridges, of course. You have to ensure that it is properly mixed out, because sometimes it forms lump at the bottom of the pot and we cannot afford to do that. Let me ensure that you are seeing the goodness. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're back again, thanks for your continued support. Leave a thumbs up. Tell me how you like your porridge. Tell me if you like oats porridge. A lot of persons do not like oats porridge. This is a quick breakfast recipe. You can have it with toast. You can have it with saltfish fritters. You can have it with plantain. So much things. And of course, you do not have to have it with anything. For babies and kids, you know that we have to bribe some of them to drink it. So the porridge is coming together now, and we are going to allow this to boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Then we come back and add our extra ingredients. So you'll remember that we already add our vanilla to the boiling water, our cinnamon powder. We did explain that we don't have any nutmeg, and we added tubes of salt. So the last thing I'm going to do is sweeten it with the condensed milk after 8 minutes time. Okay guys. Okay, I'm back and I'm going to see what is happening here. See that, guys? This is our oats porridge. So normally we do something like this to taste. Okay, it tastes good. So we just, and of course, if you're a person who is staying away from sugar or sweet, you do not have to use this. But you know, oats porridge is very delicate, so some persons do not like fresh porridge. So I chose to use the condensed milk for sweetening. See, I put more than a large spoon in it, and I'm going to mix it together. Then I taste. See that, guys? Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and please do not forget to turn on your notification bell, so as soon as a video drop, you're the first to get it, you're the first to comment, the first person to view. Please press first to watch. Okay guys, so let me give you an up close and personal look. Our porridge is ready and it is ready to serve. I'm going to have this with toast and egg. That is, this can keep me start your morning quite good. Nothing like when you have porridge before you go to work, or you can bring it to work with you. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Let me take a photo for our thumbnail.